All right, so I've been trying to get my jack stands out from underneath my table, and found these on Amazon. So I'm about right there, and a nice, easy way to get to my jack stands. Although I just realized my drill bit's wrong. Try this again. Clean these things off, but there you go. Nice and simple. Got one more to do. So that's it all installed. Took me about 5 minutes. It's only 4 screws. It makes your jack stands much easier to get to. I will link where I got these down below in the description. Thanks for watching.